Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given equation 33 x power negative 2 plus 49 x power negative 1 minus 10 equal to 0. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and multiply both sides of this equation by x square in order to remove these negative exponents. So let's go ahead and multiply by x square on this side, x square on this term, x square on this term, and x square over here across the board. Now let's focus on this part, x squared times x power negative 2. And here I have copied it down, as you can see. And here I can write this x power negative 2 as 1 over x squared. And I can leave this x squared over here. And now we can see x squared and x squared cancels out. So we simply, this is equal to 1. So therefore, this x squared times x power negative 2 is equal to just 1. And now let's focus on this x squared times x power negative 1. And here I have copied it down, and right here this x power negative 1 could be written as 1 over x, and I'm going to leave this x squared as it is. And we can see this x squared divided by x is simply equal to x. So therefore, I'm going to replace this part by x. Therefore, this equation is going to become 33 times 1 plus 49 times x, and then minus, this is going to be 10x square, and this on the right hand side, 0 times x square is same as 0. And here's the next step. 33 times 1 is simply 33 plus 49x minus 10x square equal to 0. And now let's go ahead and put this equation in a descending order. That means x square should come first. So I can write this thing as 10x, negative 10x square rather, plus 49x plus 33 equal to 0. Now we are going to make this positive leading exponent. So let's go ahead and multiply by negative sign across the board. So that is going to give us negative times negative is going to become positive 10x square. And this negative times positive is going to be negative 49x, and then minus 33 equal to 0. And now we can see that this is a quadratic equation. Let's go ahead and solve this one by factoring, by grouping. And now the very first thing we are going to do is we are going to create a rainbow. We are going to multiply these end numbers 10 times this 33. Don't worry about this negative sign. So let's go ahead and multiply 10 times 33. And here I have copied it down 10 times 33. Let's go ahead and factor them out. 10 could be written as 2 times 5, and then 33 could be written as 3 times 11. Let's go ahead and rearrange them. 2 times 3 is going to be 6 times 5 times 11 is going to be 55. So therefore, we are going to replace this negative 49x by these numbers. I can write this one as positive 6x minus 55x. So therefore, let's go ahead and write down 10x squared and then positive 6x minus 55x minus 33 equals to 0. Now let's focus on these first two terms. We can see that 2x is in common between these two terms, and in this next two terms negative 11 is in common. So let's go ahead and factor out 2x. So inside the parentheses is going to be a 5x plus 3. And the next one, negative 11. We're going to factor it out. So we got 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we can see that 5x plus 3 is in common. So let's go ahead and factor that one out. I can write 5x plus 3 times 2x minus 11 equals to 0. Let's go ahead and separate these two factors. I can write 5x plus 3 equal to 0. And the second factor, 2x minus 11 equal to 0 as well. Now let's go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. This is gone. So we got 5x equal to negative 3. Now if we divide both sides by 5, so our x value turns out to be simply negative 3/5. So this is our one of the solutions. And now let's focus on this next equation. Let's add 11 on both sides. This is gone. So we got 2x equal to positive 11. And if I divide both sides by 2, so our x value turns out to be simply 11 divided by 2. And this is our next solution. Thus our solutions turn out to be x equal to negative 3/5. And the other one is 11 over 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.